Alright fellas, today I got a tool haul from our Kansas City stores. Went to Harry J. Epstein, HJE, and I also went to Clark's. I went to both of these places because we had a special visitor in town. You guys may know him as Midwest Tool Reviews. I'll leave a card for his channel up there. Midwest came to Kansas City. He was flying in, a little business meeting or whatever. He got in touch with me on the Gmail, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Asked him how he was getting around, if he had rented a car or anything, and he said, no, I'll just Uber it. And I said, fuck that, I'll Uber you. I'll be your Uber. So I went and picked him up from the airport. We hung out, went to HJE, went to Clark's, went to Arthur Bryant's, some of the best barbecue in the world. And if you don't think so, you've never ate there. It's just how it is. While I was there with him, he bought a few things, I bought a few things. By the way, he is an awesome guy, not only on YouTube but in person. I like old Midwest. He's a good cat. He was talking about hopefully being able to come back. I think there's a few of us around that are talking about doing some kind of meet and greet, some kind of meetup with some of the local guys. I need to get in touch with him and find out if he is coming back. If he is, maybe we'll try to work it around to whenever he's here also, because that would be cool. I tried to get a hold of Cat Loco and have him come hang out with us for a little while, but he was in Alaska. He got some pretty kick-ass little videos of his vacation, so go check him out. I'll leave a card for him also. First off, old FARRIER'S hammer. This is made by Gravik. Drop forged steel, made in USA. They painted this one all up, turned down with the lathe. One of these, that one right there. It's got a pretty sharp point on it, but that's no big deal. We'll just take it over to the grinder, round this side off, and then keep this one flat. It's more of a blacksmithing thing, but you can get one of these things and use it automotive. It's way better of a hammer to have than, say, a ball peen hammer. And I think this thing is 3 pounds. Yeah, that's good, 3 pounds. Not a huge hammer, but it's got enough mass to where it's gonna move whatever you need moved. Got a nice little cushiony rubber handle on there too. I can't remember how much this was, but I want to say it was $15-20 bucks, somewhere in there. So not a bad price at all either. And then we went to Clark's. I got me this here little SK ratchet. They have these at HJE, which Clark's is still working on their website. So you can go over to HJE and get this same ratchet from them if you're not in the Kansas City area. If you are, you can go stop by Clark's and pick this up too. It is a 3/8 flex head on a 1/4 inch drive handle, and it is SK. There's the difference between the little 1/4 inch SK and the 3/8 flex head. So you're going from about 4 inches to 6. And they did have another one of these at HJE that was made by Wright, and it was a pretty slick looking little ratchet also. This SK one is 60 tooth, I believe. Yeah, it's 60 tooth, and yeah, that's gonna be an excellent little ratchet. You can just tell. And of course, it's got the knurling, the great SK ratchet knurling. It is a little thinner profile, especially for a 3/8 ratchet, because it's on that 1/4 inch body. But this thing is just, I can't wait to have to use it. It's one of those. I'm gonna use it just because I have it, but it's one of those ones where if you bought it and threw it in the toolbox waiting for that special time to get it out and use it, and you waited, you're gonna be happy with it. Great feeling ratchet. I want to say this was like 55 bucks, 50 bucks, somewhere in there. So not a bad price at all for a ratchet either. To go pick you up one of those Snap-on jobbers, if they even have one like this, and you're looking to spend 125, 140 bucks for that same ratchet, go to Clark's, go to HJE, pick you up one for 50, 55 bucks. You'll thank me whenever you get it in your hands. And also, while I was at Clark's, they had a tool vendor in there. This is one of their sample tools they give them. They gave it to me to do a giveaway. I'm not quite up to that 2,500 subscriber, but once I get there, this will be one of the giveaway prizes. It's a thread repair kit, studs, bolts. Alright, so I got a regular old bolt here. I don't know what that is. With this thing, it doesn't matter what the bolt is, because you just set her inside there, close her down. She lines up automatically on the threads, and you just run her through. They are auto adjusting. They adjust to not only the pitch but the diameter of your bolt, and you just run it through and clean your threads up. Universal, one size fits all. It says right here 4 to 19 millimeter and 5/32 to 3/4. One of the cool things about this is it does actually work on pipe thread also, because these are independent of each other, so you don't have to have a separate pipe thread kit. You can do it all with this guy. Metric bolts, you can do your metric studs, you can do your SAE studs, you can do it on your pipe thread, you know, any kind of thread, any kind of threaded fastener. Just run her down until she touches, and then you spin her right through. I mean, really, it doesn't get any easier. You can get all this stuff at Clark's and HJE. Clark's is still working on their website. I'll have a link in the description for their website. I'll have a link in the description for HJE. And of course, I'll have Amazon links. If I can find this stuff on Amazon, I'll have links on Amazon also. But both of these guys ship, so you don't have to use Amazon. You can get it straight from these guys. And these guys' prices are great. Lots of times they beat Amazon. So, you know, just because it's Amazon doesn't mean you have to buy from it. But I know some guys have gift cards and shit like that, so I'll leave links in the description, just like every other video. There'll always be links in the description to Amazon. This is quite the sexy little tool here. Yeah, so see, 5/32 to 3/4, 4 to 19 millimeter. Pipe threads up to 7/16, self-adjusting to any pitch and size within those specified ranges there. Automatically chases good threads to repair the damage. Yeah, that right there will be a giveaway item on this channel. We just got to get another, 900 subs or something like that, which they add up pretty quick, so it won't be too much longer. Yeah, as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Love, hate, hardknocksforge@gmail.com. Don't send me any panties, because they never fit.